It may not be a Blackstone, but who needs one anyway?
Start it up.
So I'd like to start off by throwing out there, it is not a Blackstone grill. Now, this thing does everything that we need it to do to cook. And I want to explain a little bit about that and challenge all of you Blackstone owners out there that this thing can do everything that yours can do just as well. It has 2 burners, uses the same gas bottles as yours does. It also has a kit that can connect to my RV just the same as a Blackstone, but there are a couple of other things that I like about this that maybe a Blackstone that you have may or may not do. One is that it has its own stand. And what I mean by its own stand, it actually folds up into a nice little package and stores into the compartment of my RV. And when I want to get it back out, I just pull this little latch, drop the stand down, it locks into itself, and it has wheels that I can roll it around with. So the stand that it is on has wheels, it's foldable, it's easy to store, and it's all self-contained. Another thing that I like about it are these over here. They are little side tables that can slide out from it. They are actually connected to the grill itself. Means I got 2 little table stands I can slide out, I can put stuff on while I'm cooking. Another thing that I like about the grill is the lid and how it works. So I can move a little latch right here so that the lid doesn't open and close. Also, on top of the lid, it has a thermometer. So if I close the lid while we're cooking, I can look at the thermometer on top and see what temperature I am cooking inside. Now, what the Blackstone is made of is actually steel. It's not cast iron, so it may not be quite as heavy as this, but it is cast iron top. The nice part about it too is that even though it is cast iron top, you can get a different kind of cast iron on the top so that you can have something like a Blackstone grill. The Blackstone grill actually has a full flat surface. You can get one for these as well. On the front of this very portable grill is 2 knobs. You have 2 burners inside and 1 knob to control each one. So I can put a pot on one side and a pot on the other, or a pan or whatever arrangement I want. And if I want to put the other cast iron top on there, I could fire up both of them at the same time and heat the whole surface. Once I put the gas bottle in and turn on the knobs to start the fire, I have a little button right here that I push and it ignites the fire. I don't have to stick anything in there to light the burners. It'll do it all on its own. Also on the front of the grill has these little hooks right here. The little hooks, and what they're used for is to hang your utensils or whatever you're going to cook with. So if you have a spatula or a spoon or a knife or a poker or anything like that, you can hang them on the front and have them readily available for you. So as far as setup goes, I hold on to the handles and get it out of the compartment. Once I have it out of the compartment, all I gotta do is get the stands down, get those locked in place, pull out the little table sides, open up the lid, get the little mechanism out that I got to screw into the back that hooks up to the bottle, hook up my bottle, and then turn on the gas, hit the igniter, and I am good and ready to go. So with all that being said, no, it's not a Blackstone. Would I like to have a Blackstone? I really don't know. You convinced me of that. We have cooked many a meal on these things, and it has done everything that we want it to do, and we haven't had a single item that we wanted to cook on this that we wouldn't be able to, that you would be able to on your Blackstone. So with all that being said, it's easy to store, it's portable, it's easy to set up, and it does all the cooking that we need. I've seen a lot of Blackstone users out there that have to take their Blackstone and set it on a table. So you have to carry an extra table with you. I do not. Also, I've seen a lot of Blackstone users out there who take their Blackstone and set it on top of a picnic table. Not the best idea in the world. Picnic tables are made out of wood. Probably shouldn't be doing that. As a matter of fact, a lot of campgrounds won't let you do that. So to round things up, I challenge all you Blackstone grill users out there, how can your Blackstone be any better than one of these back here? This is made by Coleman. You can find it in any store that you can find the Blackstone in. And for me, it has done everything that I need it to do that the Blackstone can do itself. So leave in the comments your thoughts about how the Blackstone could be any better than this. And if you have one of these type of grills in your campsite, then tell me how you think that this could be better than the Blackstone. So until the next time, enjoy your grill, enjoy your trips, and God bless.
Start it up.